We're back with another Disney the Muppet Lego minifigure opening. Let's see who we have here. We think this is the chef, the Swedish Chef. Let's see if we are correct. And it is the chef, yes. There he is, the chef. Awesome little minifigure here. He comes with this and 2 mixers. So it is the chef. Go to our eBay store, X2 Man Cave Collectibles. There's a link in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Lego minifigure openings. And give this video a big thumbs up for Disney Muppet minifigures.